Hello, all. Welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm going to dive into the one of the coolest new arrivals for 2024, the Mailed It. This diecast is from Hot Wheel Art Car series, which was designed by the talented Charis Tyler and comes in 1:64 scale mail van. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. What an amazing transformation! The Mailed It van has been converted into graffiti canvas of subway art. With the graphics like Matty was here and HWPS always on time. This van is a true work of art. And don't miss the letter Y on the roof, a unique touch that adds to the van's character. The design and the casting of this model are top notch. The colors are vibrant and the fenders add a cool touch. Even though it's called Mailed It, I think the designer has truly nailed it. So, what do you think of the new Mailed It model? So, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Hot Wheel reviews. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.